नमो नमः. Learning Sanskrit verse number 68, Aneka Samshayochedi. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Monday, July 20th, 2020. What a good date. In part 1, we studied the prose sentences which preface Hitopadeshe Mitralabhe Dashamaikadashe Subhashite, the two 10th and 11th Subhashite. Now we shall study the 10th verse Dashamam Subhashitam. I would plan to study the 11th Ekadasham Subhashitam separately. अनेक संशयोच्छेदि परोक्षार्थस्य दर्शकं सर्वस्य लोचनं शास्त्रं यस्य नास्त्यन्ध एव सः. पदच्छेदः. अनेक संशयोच्छेदि, अनेक संशय उच्छेदि, परोक्षार्थस्य, परोक्ष अर्थस्य, दर्शकं, सर्वस्य लोचनं शास्त्रं यस्य न अस्ति अंधः एव सः. Note: for compound words having sandhi inherent, their pajachhedaha are also shown in parenthesis. Anvayartha. Shastram, the sciences, are aneka samshayochedi, aneka samshaya uchchedi, removers of many doubts, and darshakam, they also show paroksharthasya, paroksha arthasya, ulterior meaning, the deep meaning. Sarvasya lochanam, they are the true eyesight for all. Yasya na asti, saha, he who does not have such eyesight, andhaha eva asti, is blind only. Padabhyasa. Aneka samshayo chedi. Aneka, na, not. Ekaha, one. Iti means aneke, many, na tatpurusha. Aneke, many, samshayaha, doubts. Iti, that is, aneka samshayaha. Karmadharaya. Aneka samshayanam uchchedi. Shashti tatpurusha. Samshayanam, samshaya, doubt. Nama. पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम. उच्छेदि, उच्छेदिन विशेषणम. नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. उच्छेदिन, उत प्लस छिद प्लस इन, अपरूटिंग, रिमूविंग. उच्छिद, उत प्लस छिद, छिद सप्तमगणीयः उभयपदी. छिदत्ति छिन्ते, छिदिर द्वैधीकरणे, टू कट. उच्छिद, to uproot, to remove. Aneka samshayochedi, remover of many doubts. Paroksharthasya, parokshartha, nama, pullingam shashti ekvachanam. Paraha akshat iti parokshaha, panchami tatpurusha. Parokshaha, beyond eyesight. Parokshaha arthaha iti paroksharthaha, karmadharaya. Paroksharthaha, meaning beyond eyesight. Arthaha, meaning. Parokshaha, beyond eyesight. So, meaning beyond eyesight, hidden or deep meaning. Darshakam. Note, Shabda Kalpadru mein Darshakaha, one who shows, who guides. Pullingam. Darshayati nrupadi samipa gamana patham iti. दृश प्लस निच प्लस न्वुल. द्वारपालः इति अमरः. जाति विशेषः. यथा महाभारते in 6:953 काश्मीरा सिंधु सौवीरा गांधारा दर्शकास्तथा. Then त्रिशुलिंगेषु दर्शयिता, one who shows, guides. यथा कुमारे 6-52 विविध प्रयुक्त सत्कारैः स्वयं मार्गस्य दर्शकः. प्रवीणः, expert, knowledgeable. इति मेदिनी. Prakashakah, one who enlightens. Yatha Hitopadeshe, the same reference has been given. 1-11 it says. Aneka samshayochedi paroksharthasya darshagam sarvasya lochanam shastram yasya nastyandha eva saha. One more explanation is drush plus nul. Drashta, seer, darshakah. Lochanam, lochana, नाम नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. लोचनम क्लीबे, लोचते अनेनेति लोचनम. लोच प्लस ल्युट, चक्षु, आय इत्यमरः. लोच प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. लोचते, टू सी, व्यू, परसीव, ऑब्जर्व. ऑल्सो दशमगणीयः उभयपदी और कॉजेटिव. लोचयति ते उभयपदी. टू कॉज टू सी. ऑल्सो दशमगणीयः उभयपदी. लोचयति ते टू स्पीक, टू शाइन. नोट, लोच प्लस ल्युट equal to lochanam. Just thought it good to show the etymology of the word. Shastram, Shastra, science, sciences. Nama, Napusakalingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Shastram, Klibe, Shishyate Anena. Shas plus Sarvadhatubhya Stran, Unadi. Iti Stran. Shas, Stran, Shastran, Shastram. This also is etymological explanation of the word Shastram, which is from Dhatuhu Shas with Pratyaya Stran. Hence, Shastram is what helps Shasanam. Shasanam is from Shas. Helps in administration, helps in regulation, helps in not going astray. Chando Vishlešanam. Aneka samshayochedi ashtaksharani shayoche etesham matraha eka dve dve paroksharthasya darshakam ashtaksharani syadarsha etesham matraha eka dve eka sarvasya lochanam shastram ashtaksharani chanam sha etesham matraha eka dve dve yasya nastyandha eva saha ashtaksharani न्ध एव एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप छंदोत्र. स्वाध्याय. सर्वस्य लोचनम शास्त्रम. All things, everything, सर्वस्य, can, should be seen, understood. Lochanam, by understanding the shastram, the rules which govern it, the science which governs. This phrase, Sarvasya Lochanam Shastram, advocates a scientific spirit. Etymology is the science of word formation. A word is best understood by understanding its etymology. Such scientific spirit brings forth, shows, is darshakam of the in-depth meaning. Parokshartha. It also removes many doubts. Is aneka samshayochedi about, say, why a particular word should be taken to be having a particular meaning in a given context. Everything has shastram, science of itself. Scientific spirit, shastram, is the only way to see it, lochanam, to understand it deeply, paroksharthasya darshakam, with clarification of many doubts, aneka samshayochedi. Rightly it is hence said, one who does not have shastram as the lochanam, he is blind. Only yasya na asti saha andhaha eva. Shubhamastu.